Are you making decisions in your organization using brand strategy to drive growth or just instinct? Perhaps you haven't yet got the right answers to some of your most pressing questions. A lot of people in business or work life think branding is all about websites, logos, and brochures. That couldn't be further from the truth. Sharing her expertise globally, Lorraine Carter has won a bunch of awards over 20 years, working with household names like Aramark, Chadwick's, IDA Ireland, Nestle, Salts, Kerry Foods, MGI Learning UK, and hundreds of other customers worldwide to make brand strategy accessible, powerful, and effective. Lauren, can you tell us how DSO decision makers can shape the future of better patient experiences and brand growth through participating at our upcoming EMEA Emerging Hub Summit, June 17th and 18th?
Absolutely, Daniel. In this high impact workshop, Insights to Action, crafting your brand strategy to drive growth, we take the guesswork out of growth. You'll learn how to turn your business insights into a powerful brand strategy that drives clarity, confidence, and gets results. We'll unpack how to build a growth-oriented value proposition, brand and patient psychology to attract, engage, build trust, and retain ideal clients. How brand communications and people alignment drives growth. This isn't just learning, it's doing. You'll reevaluate and develop your brand live with frameworks that work. Together, we'll reevaluate your current brand performance, clarify your differentiation, enable you to build a messaging system to attract and better serve your patients.